review a LeBron sneaker on this channel. This is crazy, man. I mean, I do own the superhero joints, man. And I love these sneakers, dog. But let's get into the Space Jam joints. Yes, sir. So with Space Jam 2 coming out, it's reported that they spent $1 billion in marketing alone. That's why you see Xbox controllers with the Toon Squad. We got 6 different sneakers coming out from LeBron. Coyote versus Road Runner, Bugs versus, it's a whole bunch, man. So today we're gonna do a review on the LeBron Lows, i.e. Coyote versus the Road Runner. Unboxing time. Now, at first glance, I like them, man. They not your regular LeBron. Like I told y'all, this is my first LeBron review. It's because I feel like LeBrons are made for the court. As I feel for Zion's too. They just too big and strong to be lifestyle sneakers. That's my opinion. It is some LeBrons that I'm definitely would have rocked. I.e. in a couple weeks we got the South Beach LeBrons coming out, and I'm on them because when they came out back in the days, I wasn't on them. I'm a Laker fan. He went to the Heat. Yeah, I know the story. LeBron was very, very hard to like back then, unless you lived in Miami. But I'm on those. But right here, the left shoe is the Wile Coyote. That's why it's brown. And on my right, we have the Road Runner. That's why it's light blue and dark blue. So let's get a closer look at both of these. Starting with the Road Runner joints. The Nike swoosh is like a cloud, you know, a speed cloud the Road Runner uses when he's running fast. Very dope. It pops out. 3D look. Rubber feel. And come around the back, you got the LeBron logo. And that same, you know, it's pink, but in that the same cloud bubbles. I think that's a dope look. But my favorite part of the sneaker is the air bubble that reads beat beat. I always thought the Road Runner was going to meet, but I guess it's beat beat. You see that there in the pink air bubble. This Nike sneaker is actually designed by React. So you see the Nike React right there in your red writing. The top of the sneaker, you have like a grayish flat shoelace. Toon Squad on the tongue. And the inside has the Road Runner. This sneaker to me is designed more of a Kobe Durant look than a regular LeBron, as you have that soft mesh at the toes that we usually see on a Kobe if it ain't Flyknit. And a lot of people don't give Kobe his props. He kind of started Flyknit or got it popping. Right here you have some cloud looks. Right there you got an embedded Nike swoosh. And the shoe lace holders, you have yellow patent leather look with the baby blue on the outside. Dark blue tongue to match the dark blue on the outside of the shoe. As far as the Wile Coyotes, you have a red rubber swoosh that reads Acme. I mean, if you know the cartoon back in the day, you know Acme was the things that blow up. It's like our TNT now. And on this air bubble, it reads Yow. Same pink colorway though. Even though the sneakers are a different color, the bubble stays the same. Pink Nike React bubble. And they got your Nike React logo there in blue this time. So on the Road Runner is red, on the Coyote is blue. Same design, just different colorway. As you got more of a beige brownish here, as Wile Coyote is a coyote and he's dark brown and beige. The LeBron design in the back is the same color with the same clouds in the back. It's just you have a brown look here. Nice hard material here. Embedded Nike swoosh. And instead of clouds here, I guess that's like wood. I don't know. You got to be the judge of that. In my opinion, that looks like wood, some shellac or something. Toon Squad logo. And on the back, instead of Coyote, there's a sign that reads help. Now, I feel like Nike shoved these in my face. They gave me exclusive access, and I haven't got exclusive access in a very long time. So I said, let me check it out, man. I want to support LeBron. He's a Laker now. But these sneakers are not that bad. In my opinion, they're made for kids. You know, I feel like a kid, your son, your daughter, I think they should have at least one of those Versus pairs. Men can definitely rock them, and Space Jam is definitely going to be a staple for a long time to come, as we still talking about Space Jam 1 20 years later, I believe. I don't know, but it's definitely a staple. It's historic. As far as resale on these, I don't think they're going to sell out. They're coming out with too many verses, but I feel like this pair right here is very dope, especially the Road Runner. He's a popular character. Coyote's not that much, but they story together is like, it's kind of cool, man. It's like Tom and Jerry. So yeah, this is the review on the LeBron Lows. I don't know, LeBron got so many numbers. XV111. Only LeBron we really care about is the 8, to be honest. But the sneaker's dope. I like how they went away from the on-court look and gave it more of a lifestyle shoe. Very dope, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching. Just a quick review. I got some heat coming, man. Everybody get rich.